Students, class 12th. In this video we are going to solve some questions based on probability. So as you have studied in earlier classes from 9th onwards, the chapter probability, that is uncertainty, the chances. Now, and you have also studied about that probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1. So 0 is called impossible event, and 1 is called sure event. And the sum of all the probability is always equal to 1. So we have already studied probability of event plus probability of not event is always equal to 1. That means probability of not event is always equal to 1 minus probability of event. So this is what about you have studied from the earlier classes. Now we have some points here. What is probability of epsilon f means? This means that probability of event E, given that probability of F has occurred. Probability of event E given that F has occurred. So you can have a formula for this. That means we can write it as probability of common between E and F divided by probability of F has occurred, provided there is a so this is validity only if P of F is not equal to 0. So this condition should be there that P of F, probability of F should not be equal to 0. So this is what you have to answer here the questions, that if we have two events E and F such that probability of E is given 0.6 and probability of F is given 0.3, find, and also it is given that the common between E and F is probability is 0.02. to find probability of, these are the two parts you have to answer. So children, it is given us the question probability of E 0.6, probability of F 0.3, and the common of E and F is 0.2. So first point we have to find, so that is conditional probability of E given that probability of F has occurred. So now we have it can be written as the formula probability of common between E and F and the probability of F. So now this can be written as 0.2 upon 0.3, that is becomes 2 upon 3. Second part we have probability of, and you can write it as again common of events E and F, probability divided by probability of conditional probability E. So we have 0.2 upon 0.6, that is can be written as 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3. Very simple.